Alright, we back at it again once more. Alright, we're going to get into it real quick. Now this time I'm going to show you how to make a shrimp stuffing. Shrimp and clam stuffing, pardon me. Alright, first, just show you all the simple ingredients. Very easy. Okay, first, got the chopped shrimp. I chopped it up first. Chopped raw shrimp. Chopped clam. Toasted wheat bread. Toasted wheat bread. That's my stuffing base. Trust me, it's work. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. Okay, see that there? Some minced onion, minced garlic, some minced parsley. Don't forget the olive oil. Okay, we're gonna get into it. Alright, I'm gonna put some olive oil into my pot. Right? And I'm going to just go ahead and add some of this onion in here. Alright, we got that going on. Don't forget the garlic. Alright. Oh man, I wish y'all could smell this out there in YouTube land. Turn that down so you don't want it to burn. Okay, got that going on. Like I said, it's real easy, real easy. Okay, now we got this sizzling, as you can hear. Now, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add my bread to that. Lost a little piece there. Gonna add the bread to that. Turn it into stuffing. It's gonna absorb some of that oil. That's why I added it first. I wanted to absorb that, get the flavor going on. Right, we're looking good over here. Okay, you see that there? But drop that chopped shrimp in there. Okay, there you go. Got it in there. Like I said, this is quick and easy. Alright, here you go. Add the clams. Okay, I'm going to cut, and when I come back, I'm going to show y'all the finishing results. Like I said, it's real quick and easy. Okay, we back. One more thing. Got to add the Old Bay. Add a little bit of Old Bay in there. Okay. Just want to show y'all this real fast. Bring it up to you guys so you can see it. Wow, look at that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just add some simple H2O. Just add a little H2O is water, by the way. Just add a little water to it. Okay. Go ahead and add the rest of that. Why not? Okay, let me get a spoon and taste this. That is good. And it is done. Okay. You can eat this as is. Nice little seafood stuffing if you have it. You can add scallops to that. Like I said, I had the shrimp and the clams. What else you can add to that? Like I said, the scallops. You can add crab meat to it if you want. Some chopped up crab meat, chopped up lobster claw. You know, if you have it. But this is super simple. And what I usually do with this is I use it to stuff fish. And I make nice fish stuffings and roll it up. But anyway, I'll make a video on that So then, peace, there you have it. Let me show it to you one more time so you guys can see it. Okay. Oh, there you go. Shrimp and clam seafood stuffing. Made real easy. It's good. I want to taste that one more time. And yes, I did double dip. So what? It's my kitchen. Say something. Peace.